Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can enable this easy access or easy access for shortcut. See here, when you tap on this, you can take the screenshot, or you can record the video quickly, or you can open calculator, you can open flashlight. So this is easy access or easy touch option, and this is on my IQOO mobile. 3 days back I bought this mobile and I searched for this very option for a whole day, but I couldn't find it. But this is like easy touch option on IQOO mobile. So if anyone are using IQOO Z7 Pro or IQOO mobiles or Vivo, please do comment below so that I'll get to know. See here at the corner of the screen, you can place it anywhere you want. I'll place it here for now. So in order for you to also have this option, you need to click on your phone settings. Okay, under phone setting, just scroll down until you'll find an option called shortcuts and accessibility. You need to tap on this, and here you will find easy touch. Tap on this. For example, if you don't find easy touch like this, directly on the search you can search for easy touch, something like that. It will open. By default this option will be disabled. You need to enable this. See here, this is the option. So you can place anywhere on the screen. So I like to have it at the corner. You can just move and place anywhere you want. And when you tap on this, what should appear? So this is the meaning of that. When you tap on this, it should open the menu. If you like, if you keep it to something like calculator, that with one tap the calculator gets open. See here, but I don't want this one. I'll just change this. I just want menu only, so I'll kept it menu. And not only that, you can decrease the idle visibility. For example, see here on my home screen it is here, but I don't want this to be appeared or highlighted, so I just decrease this. So easy touch settings, so you can decrease the visibility or the transparency. So I kept it to 15. And enable this option also, auto hide in full screen, auto hide after 3 seconds of inactivity. So for the next time, when you want to access fast access or quicker access to screenshot or screen record or flashlight on, you can make use of this option. If you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like for this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please do comment IQ and Vivo mobile users.